We are pleased to show you the 2023 Grand Cherokee 4xe. The Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe combines rugged capability with hybrid efficiency. Its plug-in hybrid powertrain delivers up to 25 miles of electric-only range, while its advanced off-road features ensure it's ready for adventure. With a luxurious interior and cutting-edge tech, it's the ultimate eco-friendly SUV. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.